Meaning of degeneracy.
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 Degeneracy. Degeneracy refers to a situation in which multiple solutions or states have the same energy level. This can occur in many systems, including atomic and molecular orbitals, particle physics, and even societal values. Degeneracy can lead to unusual and unexpected behavior, such as superconductivity in materials with degenerate electron states. However, it can also make it difficult to predict the behavior of a system, since multiple solutions may be equally likely. In some cases, degeneracy can be broken by small perturbations, leading to a preference for one solution over another.